Command templates are useful for any network engineer who wants to engage in automation. And the reason why is simple. Using command templates in the Itential automation platform allows a network engineer to take that embedded CLI knowledge and express it into an asset that can be used in automation. And this is what I mean by that. So say, for instance, if we execute this command, show interface loopback 301 on a device, it'll give us an output that tells us the state of the interface. We can actually test this here directly within the application by specifying a device that's onboarded in the system, and I can click test this command, and it'll actually show me the output in real time. Now we can define a rule that detects a certain condition we're looking for. So if I wanted to know if this device was up, I could search for this string, because that's what I would be visually looking at. And then I can do a pass or fail condition on that. And in this case, if the output of this command contains this string in it, then we pass. Similarly, if it doesn't, so if I did something like this and test the command again, this will come back as a fail because it didn't match. However, this is really useful only in a single, since we're statically assigning the interface. What we really want to do, especially in automation, is make this applicable to more than one situation, more than one device, or in this case, more than one interface type. So within the command templates, we have the ability to take any part of either the command or the rules and turn it into a variable. And we do that simply by doing this. And giving this a variable name. I could say interface. So by surrounding it with these characters, we create a variable for any part of these conditions or the commands. And now that can be substituted within an automation for something that could be input from a form, or perhaps a list of interfaces that we want to iterate over in an automation to run these particular commands and look for a particular condition. And even though we're not statically defining a interface now we've variabilized it, we can still use the test command and it'll ask us an interface to try. So in this case, I'll fill out loopback 301, submit, and it's going to replace the interface variable with what we typed in, just like it would in an automation if we were passing that along. And as you can see, it's going to execute the command using loopback 301. And with that, that's how you can leverage both a command template for your CLI interface knowledge, what you would expect to see to determine a pass-fail condition in automation, and then turn that into a series of variables that where now you can make the same command template applicable to any variety of devices or interfaces.